The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. At around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of a bright red portal in the downtown area of Memphis were received. At this time, police are investigating the portal. It is unknown of its origin and is shown to not have a threat to life or property, and all citizens in the downtown area of Memphis should stay indoors. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. The Memphis Police Department is asking all citizens to continue to shelter in place. Please do not go outside, and do not look outside any windows. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. At around 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unidentified creature was found to have left the portal. This creature is 6 feet 4 feet tall, gray skin, red and gray hair, wears a black and red striped suit, and is wearing black boots. This creature is unknown of its intentions, but should not be approached. Stay in your homes with all doors and windows locked. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. Residents of Memphis, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. At around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the creature was in fact hostile. Multiple reports of the creature breaking into homes, attacking and killing anyone it sees. If you have not already, shelter in place immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Seal all cracks on windows with tape or damp towels. Close all fireplaces. Turn off all heating and air conditioning, and remain quiet at all times. If this creature enters your home, use armed protection if necessary. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Memphis Police Department. This is an all-clear message. At around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the creature has suddenly disappeared. Along with the sudden disappearance, the portal has also disappeared. It is unknown how they disappeared, and is currently being investigated. At this time you can leave your shelter. Just be aware that there is considerable damage all across Memphis, so be aware of down power lines, oil, sharp glass, and other objects. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. We will now return you to regular programming.